Using Asana for social media management streamlines content creation, scheduling, and collaboration across teams. Here's how to effectively use Asana for social media management. Create projects for each platform. Start by creating separate projects for each social media platform you manage, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Outline content calendar. Within each project, set up a content calendar using sections or columns to represent different posting dates or themes. Create tasks for content. Create tasks for each piece of content to be posted, including captions, images, links, and any other necessary assets. Set due dates for each task according to the posting schedule. Assign tasks and collaborate. Assign tasks to team members responsible for content creation, design, scheduling, and monitoring. Use comments to provide feedback, ask questions, or discuss ideas directly within tasks. Set up approval workflow. Implement an approval process by adding approval tasks or using custom fields to indicate when content is ready for review. Schedule posts. Integrate Asana with social media management tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule posts directly from Asana tasks. Monitor performance. Track the performance of social media campaigns by adding tasks for analytics tracking and reviewing insights regularly.